Secrets and Roblox game that you never knew, part 2. First, you go and search work at a pizza place and then join it. Just wait, I'm eating watermelon. Yum, yum. If you go here, go over here, guys. Go. Walk until you're almost close to the water. Long intro. Oh! Long intro. There's going to be a long intro. Kumuha ka dyan, bahala ka. Sorry, that's my little sister. Go over here. Go here. And then go inside the water. Just wait, guys. This is going to be a long. Go here. And then just wait. You'll be teleported to this new version where there is a ladder. You have to climb to the ladder and then go here. Guys, this is so hard to play. Yeah, I know. Go here in the water again. And then when you see that road, go near it. Oh, actually, go near this one. Go over here. This is going to be super long, so let's go. Go over there and there's going to be a secret. If you don't know how to do it, just go to the comment section. If you don't know, so long, guys. It's already 3 minutes ago. Go here in the bridge. If you see this, there's like a car there. Don't go there, you might get him. And then go. Guys, what in the world? And you'll get teleported somewhere. It looks like the original one, but this is not the original game. Just a prank! Send this to a friend to waste their time.